Can I get a copy of my tax return from the IRS on Turbotax? You have two options while requesting for a copy tax return file from the IRS. You can either request a new transcript or even order the exact copy for $50. Almost all details are shown in the free tax return copy, and you can receive your tax return copies for about previous 3 consecutive tax years. While you can also buy the premium exact tax return file as it just costs you $50, some other attachment documents are also associated with it, and you won't get it in the free transcript return. And these copies can be gotten for about previous 6 tax years. For this, simply open your default web browser, search for irs.gov website, and search for Get Your Tax Return option. Then, scroll down the page and tap on the Get Transcript Online option. Here, you can tap on Sign In with id.me button and enter your email and password, and finally sign in by tapping on the Sign In button. And in this way, you can get a copy of your tax return. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.